I got here a cordless tire inflator. It has a wide range of use scenarios, like you can inflate your balls, balloons, your bicycle, your car as well. It also has a built-in battery. You can use it with a car socket as well, and a lot more features. Let's take it out and check it out, and also inflate something. Right, really easy to take it out. I think that's the main power bank inflator. We've got this, a tube for inflating the wheels of a bike, wheels of a car, and we got these accessories as well for balls, for anything else that you might need to inflate. Really cool. And we got a pouch as well for it. Really cool. And that is the cable for plugging it to the car. There we go. And we also have a manual. Wireless portable air pump. Okay, so let's take the actual pump out. And there we go. It's really satisfying to take these things off. It's really shiny. And here we have the power button. We have some levels, I think, here, and another button, and this looks like a light. Yeah, we have a light here as well. That's where we put the tube, right here. We also have here on the back, because we can use it as a power bank as well, so we have a USB-C, USB-A, and the charging port. Let's turn it on. And as you can see, you have a display here as well, which is really cool. You can see probably the pressure as well, the PSI, the bars here, and what you use it for, car, and then how much battery you have. And then you're gonna set the bars on how much you want to inflate it, and then it's gonna just do it by itself, I think. There we go. Yeah, so it can actually measure the bars as well. See, so it goes to 220. It can sense the pressure as well, which is really nice. Then if we press this button, look, we have a PSI for the bike. We have the ball for the ball as well, 8 PSI, something. Some standard things just for the different ranges of things that you're going to use. So for a car, maybe about 250, I think about 220 is about right. Maybe in the summer is about 250. And then we have the bicycle or motorcycle, and then the other one, and then we have balls and balloons. And yeah, now let's go inflate some things. Actually, let's check the light. There we go. So if you need to check something, or your car or the motor, really cool. Also like emergency light right here, as you can see. Really good, really useful, really useful. And of course, if you don't have enough battery, you can plug it in on the car and then start pumping, let it pump by itself. You don't need to pump it. So another cool thing about this is that it's really portable, really nice. You put it in the pouch, you add all your accessories inside. As you can see right here, put the accessories. Everything in the pouch. And then it's really easy to carry in the car or in the backpack, anywhere you want. The battery on this is 6000 milliamps. It's really good if you want to carry it to inflate your bicycle or your motorcycle, your car. So for bicycle it's really good because it has battery, which is really good. For the car you can use the car socket as well if the battery runs out. Really nice. Now let's go inflate some tires.